Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Christine and this is my little Audrey. She's a lady bird today, children. Look. I hope you guys are having a wonderful time because we are having a wonderful time too. On today's episode, teachers, parents, and also kids out there, we are going to learn about our calendar or dayboard. In our dayboard, we are going to learn about days, date and month, season, weather, and the year. So are you ready today, children? Now let's start with our days. Now, how many days do we have in a week? We have 7 days in a week. 7. So we've got Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Well done, children. Now, can you show me your 7 fingers over there? 5 and 2 equals 7. Now, I am going to teach you the song, There Are 7 Days. Are you ready? There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Well done, everybody. Now, yesterday was Wednesday. Today is what we call Thursday. Now, can everybody say today is Thursday? Today is Thursday. Well done. Now, we have 12 months of the year. All right? So, we've got 12 months, and the first month is January. Second is February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Well done, everybody. Now, last month was the month of January. This month is the month of February. Well done. Can everybody say February? Well done. Now, this month is the month of Heart. Now, we're going to sing our months of the year. Are you ready, everyone? January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December, 12 months of the year. Hooray! Well done, everybody. Last month was the month of January. This month is what we called Can everybody say February? Well done. Say February. Very nice. And not there. I'm so sorry. It's over here. Now, this month, the date of this month is what we call 27. 27 is number 2 and 7. 27. Now, can you help me count from 1 to 27 by clapping your hands? Now, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Well done, everybody. Second, 27. Nice. 27 or the 27th of the month. There you go. So you can teach them how to tap on your own calendar at home. All right, the season this time is still very, very cold. So this time is what we call winter. Can everybody say winter? Excellent, children. So this time is what we call winter. It's very, very cold. But today, children, what's the weather today? Is it rainy day today? No, thank you. Is it windy day today? No. Is it sunny day today? No, it isn't. Today is cloudy day. Now, can you help Miss Christine sing the song, What's the Weather Today? All right, well done, everyone. We're going to sing, what's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather out today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it cloudy out today? Today is cloudy day. Well done, everybody. Today is cloudy day. Wonderful, everybody. Now, can you repeat after me? Can we say, today is Thursday, the month of February. The date is 27th. The season is winter. And the weather is cloudy. Excellent, children. Now, of course, we can't forget, I'm sorry, I lost my year, but have a look over here because this year is what we call 2020. Well done, everyone. Can you clap your hands, everybody? Now, that's all for our episode for today. Remember, for the young ones to learn this concept, it is important. You can make your own calendar at home. Fellow teachers out there, I use Twinkle. Again, it's a great website to get all your resources. I'm not affiliated or paid by them. It's just a very, very good option for you to find a really good and colorful and dynamic resources for young ones. All right, thank you so much again. And I hope you enjoyed and learned something out of this. And then don't forget to put a thumbs up over there and subscribe if you want to see more about our channel. Bye-bye.